Nice one, cool dudes. I am in Arundel, and yes, this is July in the UK, the peak of British summertime. Excellent. You already know why I'm here. It's to visit Arundel Castle. I'm so excited. I'm just upset it's such a terrible day. But good luck everyone, especially me. Distance lovers will want to know that it is approximately 17 minutes walk from the station to get to the castle. Look at that, cool dudes. It makes you wish you could come back to a time before there were cars. It looks as if I'm about to walk into a fairy tale. Let's hope so. Even the post office is cool. Really nice. Of course, cool dudes, Arundel Castle is haunted by, guess how many ghosts? Yes, you're right, 7. Richard Montgomery, who built this place in 1087, he haunts it. And also there was a girl called Emily who got pregnant by the blooming bishop. That's out of order. And he didn't want anything to do with her or the baby, so she chucked herself off one of the towers. I might do that if it carries on raining today. Some good weapons in the armoury there, cool dudes. Here's a question of the day. You need to specialise in a weapon because you're a hitman. What weapon do you choose? I think I'd choose the halberd. Please write yours below. I'd love to read them. Nice one. This corridor is full of paintings of all the Dukes of Norfolk. The general observation is that all the Dukes of Norfolk look like they were. Maybe one day I'll be the Duke of Norfolk here. Yes! I'm in the library, cool dudes, and this is haunted, apparently, by the Blue Man. Who is he? He is a strange, wispy form that appears, floating around, looking for a book. Terrifying, right? The theory is that maybe if he finds his book, he'll be released from stalking this library forever. Nice one, cool dudes. That is it for my trip to Arundel Castle. I hope you enjoyed it. I know some of you were looking forward to seeing the gardens, but because of the incessant rain, I've decided not to do that. And I know that you wouldn't want to see me drown, would you? Would you? Okay, cool dudes. Thank you so much for joining my club and helping me go on adventures like this. It is much appreciated. It's time for the prize draw after this and your keyring photos. Only one thing left to say. Stay cool. Ooh, what a cute piece of art. This can be yours if you bid for it on eBay. This acrylic gouache framed original masterpiece has a starting price of just £6. Took me absolutely ages. Alright, cool dudes, it's time for the prize draw. And if you want to be in the prize draw and a member of the Cool Dudes Walking Club, all you need to do is go to the channel page, click on this button here and choose what tier you want to join. And in exchange for you joining, you get to use these emojis, watch all these extra videos and get entered automatically into the prize draw. So currently there are 645 cool dudes supporting me and helping me do these walks on YouTube. And the prize one of you is going to win is this: cards from Stripey Art, a bookmark from Arundel Castle, a nice postcard of the Isle of Wight, a Marek keyring, Cool Dudes Spotter's Handbook, a badge, all of the paper stickers and all of the vinyl stickers. What a nice prize. And what I do is I get YouTube to list all the members in order for how long they've been a member. So number 1 is the longest serving member and number 605 is the most recent member. And then I say, random number generator, generate me a number. Generate 416. And the 416th longest serving member at 10 months is Jaden T. Jaden, please email me at calldudeswalkingclub@gmail.com and I will send you all those beautiful things. It's time now for your keyring gallery. Also, for those of you who don't know, I've got another channel, which is my Marek channel, which you can watch, and I've got regular videos on there that you might be interested in. So please subscribe to that to help me out. More keyrings are available on the website now, and there are going to be some horror keyrings in time for Halloween. Alright, let's go on with the gallery. Oh yeah, one more thing. Stay cool.